Hello guys, it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, but here we are. And today what we have here is the unboxing of the Tudor Black Bay Chrono, model number M79360N. And I just got this as a gift to myself for my birthday. So I'm sporting the OP39 white dial. And let's go and unbox this puppy. I went to the AD the other day to try it out, and because I had heard that it was a little thick. Now the reason I'm buying is, number one, it's my birthday coming up, and every 2 years I like to treat myself to a nice little gift. And number two, I'm a big Inter Miami fan, and this is the David Beckham collaboration with Tudor. So I've never owned a Tudor. So I'm very excited. Tudor is owned by Rolex. Oop. All right. Huntington watch. This is the company I bought it from. Very nice company, by the way. They have great watches. I highly recommend them. Great customer service, and they sent me this included as free shipping. Like they include this certificate of appraisal authenticity guarantee. I'm not going to show it because it shows my serial number, and this microfiber cloth, which is a nice touch. Very nice box as well for protection. 24-hour express service. So here is the box. And I've heard, and I've never seen it, but I heard these boxes are really nice. Maybe even nicer than the Rolex boxes. They open just like the Rolex boxes. So it's Tudor there. Love the insignia there, if you can catch that. Very, very awesome. Let's put this away. Oof, you guys ready? I am super ready. All right. Woof, woof, woof. All right, so up close and personal, that's what the box looks like. And here we have also comes with official chronometer certification, the user manual, and the Tudor International Guarantee card. And on the other side, you'll see the serial number and the model number, and then the date that it was purchased. All right. So that's what the box says. And here you have little extras, extra link, things like that. Box and papers. So here we have the watch, you guys. Oh, it's such a beauty. What a beauty. Let me put this here. This is the tag. Comes with it. I'm not going to show the other side because it has the serial number. I don't know if these go by reference numbers, but the model number is M79360N0019. And now I had gone to the store to see if how heavy this watch was, because I've heard it was thick, too heavy, this and that. But it was just perfect. Oof, love this. It has the new T clasp, and it has this bezel protector right here. And I was wondering if they were going to put the right time. They did not. That's okay. It's not a big deal. But what a beautiful watch, guys. Nice weight to it. Let me show you the back. Back casing, I should say. There we go. Let me set this aside. So some people think these are pretty big. I happen not to think that. I actually like it a lot. And so these come with 70 hour of power reserve, which is good. You don't want to be winding these every 5 minutes. 41 millimeter. It has the, I don't know what you call that. I don't want to call it the Jubilee because they say you don't call it the Jubilee even though it's the Jubilee, but it's the 5-link all across. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. Very excited for this. And if you're a big fan of Pink like I am, or Inter Miami, if you can get it, try and get it, because I had to get into secondary market, in the gray market, because obviously the ADs, they want to build a relationship after you spend who knows how much. Anyways, thank you for watching. God bless.